Hi guys, today I'm going to show you how to easily cover an ugly wall using some fabric. It's a great way of covering things like woodchip wallpaper or ARTEXing. So take a look at how I got on with that. First you need to measure how much material you're going to need. So measuring from top to bottom diagonally. The reason I'm doing it diagonally here is because we're working with a slanted wall, and so one half of the fabric will be longer than the other side. And now once you've cut your material to length, you want to start attaching that with a staple gun. I started by just attaching it at the top and bottom at the edge of where it will be against the door frame, and now just working along the top to about halfway, and then start working along the bottom just to make sure you keep everything level. And I'm being really careful here not to put a staple through that cable that's running along the top of the skirting board. Now, because most material only comes in widths of 1.5 meters, you obviously can't do the whole wall in one go. So I've had to work in panels and just keep going, lining everything up until the whole wall is finished. Now you can leave it at that because it does look really good, to be fair, just the lace on its own, but I am doing over the top with the velvet to create a curtain effect. And because I want this curtain to have a sort of pleated look, I am leaving some sag and just putting staples in where I think is appropriate. Actually, pleated is probably the wrong word, it's more ruched. And then just cut off any excess as you go, just to make it easier to work with. And once I've done the top, I've actually tied the centre first with a curtain tie back, so that I can then work the bottom and make sure that that centre stays where I want it to stay. And I'm just tidying up with any additional staples. And then moving on to my next panel and just doing the same thing again. And obviously, most importantly, make sure you fit a T-break in. And then this is how it looks when it's finished. Thank you for watching. If you could give me a thumbs up or thumbs down to let me know your thoughts on this video. And if you'd like to see more from me in the future, then hit subscribe. And I hope to see you very soon.